So this power supply has received a much needed update, which is a stand 3D printed. The link to the Thingiverse download is in a pinned comment. I've left it open on the back because under a heavy load this fan runs and it needs cooling. Besides, it's just standing on my desk. So that's how I've angled it. The front sloped it like that. And that's the front of it. So that's made it quite useful. So there's an update on this power supply. This took about 2.5 hours on my FlashForge 5M Pro, and the material usage was 115 grams of PLA. The wall thickness is 2 millimeters. That works quite well. So it's ended up very nice. I must say I'm very happy with the new 3D printer. My previous one was the Adventurer 3, which could only do 150 millimeters, and because this is 160 needed there, so we at 175 millimeters total here. It meant I could go bigger and I could finally start making some bigger stuff. So this is nice, and quality wise this is amazing. You can't actually tell that it's 3D printed. It's absolutely smooth. These 3D printers have become good. So there you have it, an update on my power supply. So those who have one of these, you can download their STL on Thingiverse. The link is in the pinned comment. And for the rest, ladies and gentlemen, take care, have an awesome day further, and I shall see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.